how to get your receipts from Spotify. So first things first, open up your Spotify onto your web browser, onto your mobile devices, or onto your web browser. So I'm here on my PC having my Spotify account logged in. Now from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to my account section from my profile. Now from here, what I'm going to do is, and now that I'm into my profile, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head all the way down to the payment area. From here, you can either find something written as receipts or order history or the save payment cards. Now, you're going to click onto order history, which is basically going to have a list of drop-down menu or box of receipts or stuff that you've ordered from Spotify. Every single time you've paid for a premium plan or paid out for or enrolled yourself onto your premium plan, it's going to show up right here. You can see as of now, for the past 2 years, I am working out on my free plan and I do not have any payments or refunds from the past 2 years. But this is one way for you to receive your receipts on Spotify. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps.